What is going on, guys? So today I want to show you this hand mixer. This is the CX6651 hand mixer. So this thing is pretty slick. It comes with everything that you need in the package here. So let me pull all this stuff out and we can take a look at this together here. So it comes with an instruction manual as you would expect, and it comes with, obviously the hand mixer itself. Now this is 250 watts. It's got 5 speeds, and it comes with 2 of your mixing hooks, as well as 2 dough hooks. So you kind of get a really multifaceted tool that you can use here. What's great is it comes with this really nice little stand. So if you like to keep it out on your counter, you can just keep it right in there like that. You put your all your little dough hooks and your mixing stands right in there, and it just kind of sits on your counter in this really nice, convenient little spot. As you can see, it's got 5 different adjustments here. You can see the different speeds right here on the side. They're 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You got your eject button right here on top. That's going to allow you to to disconnect the hooks or the blenders. And as you can see in the video, it works really well. This thing puts out a lot of power. Again, 250 watts, 5 speeds, 120 volts. Now this is the white version, and this is at a price point that's extremely reasonable in comparison to some of the other handheld mixers you find out there. And it works really well. It's got great ratings on Amazon. I like this little stand. I mean, I've been around hand mixers my entire life. And they always just kind of get like wrapped up and stuck in a drawer, and then these things kind of get lost and thrown wherever they need to go. And it's just a nice little kit to keep on your counter and make it really easy to get to and access. And I just love that it comes with these dough hooks as well. I think that's just a really nice little addition. So if you guys are looking for a new blender, especially as we get into one of those seasons where a lot of people are cooking a lot of stuff, definitely consider checking out this hand mixer. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.